Apparently I can't hit the guy.
All right, hold on. I'm running up. Draw his fire. I'm drawing his fire.
Don't worry, I'm stuck in a window now. Did you get him?
Is he dead?
Oh, I got him from a fucking distance.
Hell yeah.
Bruh, the person with the Mosin just whiffing, and Dan rolls up with a light machine gun from like 150 meters.
With iron sights at that. You start trying to change the tank, you pay.
Are you not running anything else in the background on accident?
No, I've had stuttering issues with this computer before.
That's a lot of dudes. Why are they all up there instead of defending their point down here?
We don't need to question that.
Upstairs, just watch those stairs.
Yep. Don't worry, I saw like 6 people up there. I got a degree in this.
Huh. No way, I can actually be up here.
Wow. Where's I got down without killing myself? Hey.
Head down with your bed.
Wrong time for me to change this music. No, please let me change. Thank you.
There's another one. Oh, I didn't kill him. He went prone.
Good job, Dan.
I'm doing this with a horrible fucking stutter.
Good job, Dan. I mean, hey, bro, you're doing well, though.
I'm alive.
Oh, no. Oh, no. There's a lot of people.
I'm not alive?
Me when I have anxiety.
You're alive. I'm not dead.
I'll take care of him. Isn't that a war crime?
Yes. Very much so.
Oh, that was a nice little detail. So I switched guns like immediately after pulling the trigger, and when I took the pistol back out, I had to hit the slide lock, the slide release. The enemies are just walking in a straight line.
Yeah, the server's dead.
There it goes.
Hey, I'm connected to the server and you two aren't here.
Yeah, well, I think you and me both dropped.
That doesn't make any sense. How did you lose connection to the server that's in your house?
Why is my computer stuck?
I'm gonna play gun game.
I'll join you. I regret this decision.
I started with the knife, so you better start with the knife.
Well, I did before y'all joined, so I'm kind of here now. I have a very large scope.
But can you see why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch with it?
I understand. You have the op. I get it.
I no longer have it.
Did you see how many enemies were coming through that door?
That's your problem. Let me get one.
That's your problem. That's a skill issue at that point.
I just wanted one. There's a lot more out here. Throwing them all off.
Oh, they're gassing us.
Oh. Let's light the gas up. Starting, I assume.
Probably.
For me, it's a matter of. Oh God!
Whose gun is that? And that's
where's
mine.
my RPG? There you are. If you see someone, let me know. I see an enemy.
A rock hit me in the head.
Fancy meeting you here. Ding dong. Please. How many shots? How many shots?
I mean, probably takes like 3 to get drunk. Fair. I'm not running out to get the gun.
Oh, disagree. Oh, this is a defense. Oh God.
Not good for
excuse me.
havers.
Pardon me. Thank you. Okay, see ya. Hey, I'm coming in. Knock. Left, right hand side. There's a guy coming.
Where? I want to see.
Oh, did not go out!
I saw it right there.
Was he in the doorway?
Yeah,
that's the guy.
Uh-oh. I'm out of bullets. I have like 1 bullet.
I got a kill. I'll be back.
Let me have that one.
You have the guy to your left. Your left.
Got him.
Well,
I got
behind
him.
you. Okay, I'm good. I'm back. Knock.
I thought I heard a grenade.
Oh, click. Oh, I got him in the head. Motherfucker's got head armor.
Again? Pick up the gun.
No, I don't want whatever you're selling.
For the first time.
Anybody else?
Ring my ring. Oh
God!
I'm happy we all experienced that together.
The dead bit.
Oh God, Iranians falling. I don't want to continue that, but I'm gonna get real racist real fast. Excuse me, thank you.
You did not swap guns, I don't think.
You right, I did not.
It's right there.
Thank you. Oh God, thank God I closed that door.
It was for you.
It really was.
I hate salespeople.
Excuse me. Excuse me. There we go. Okay. Excuse me. Pardon me. Thank you. Wait. Did you go boom?
Click, boom.
Somehow no.
I got express delivery of a new gun.
In 10 seconds, you'll get express delivery of a new teammate. Oh.
Oh,
Never mind.
you almost removed me.